Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at creating a new access level in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the new access level will belong to. Navigate to the Access Levels menu option in the top bar. Access levels in VOLO are templates of permissions that are used to provide consistency when determining which doors your users can access and during what timeframes. Select New from the left-hand side menu. Give the new access level a name. Select the desired time zone for each door that you wish to be included in the access level. If you are applying the same time zone to all doors in a site, then you can use the drop-down lists for the site. If you are applying the same time zone to all doors in all sites, then you can use the Set All Time Zones drop-down list. These options can make the process much faster, particularly if you have a lot of doors or a lot of sites. When you are done, press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. That's it. Your new access level is now set up. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.